Solve. If the solution set is the set of real numbers or the null set, classify the equation as an identity or a contradiction. 13t minus the quantity 5 minus 2t is equal to 5 times the quantity 3t minus 1. To solve for t, the first thing we should do is apply the distributive property to eliminate the parentheses. Since we're subtracting these two, we're going to rewrite it as the addition of the opposite. So this would be minus 5 plus 2t. On the right-hand side, 5 times 3t is 15t, minus 5 times 1 is 5. On the left-hand side, combine the t's. We have 15t minus 5 equals 15t minus 5. At this point, you might recognize that you have the same expressions on both sides. That indicates it's an identity. However, let's say you don't recognize that, and you say, okay, let's collect the t's on the left, which means to subtract 15t from both sides. That means we're going to collect the constants on the right, so we would want to add 5 to both sides. Well, when we do that, we get 0 equals 0. 0 equals 0 is a true statement. That means we have an identity. That means all values of t will make a true statement. This is called an identity. And that means the solution set is the set of all real numbers.